Good morning and a very warm welcome to Green Recept. Here, we believe that every single day deserves a brilliant start. How you begin your morning sets the tone for your energy, your mood, and the choices you'll make for the rest of the day. We're passionate about the power of a mindful morning routine, and at the very heart of that is a breakfast that doesn't just fuel your body, but truly nourishes your soul. So, what's the secret? It's choosing a breakfast that is not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. It's time to move beyond the sugary cereals and empty-calorie pastries that inevitably lead to that dreaded mid-morning crash. We're going to show you how to properly kickstart your metabolism with wholesome, natural ingredients. This provides sustained energy, keeping you focused, vibrant, and satisfied all the way until lunch, preventing those unhealthy snack cravings. Today, we'll be preparing two of our favorite light and healthy recipes, perfect for a quick weekday breakfast or a leisurely weekend brunch. First, we'll be crafting a stunningly savory vegetable omelet, packed with vibrant greens and high-quality protein. Then, we'll whip up a surprisingly decadent stack of savory pancakes that will completely redefine your idea of healthy indulgence. These recipes are incredibly versatile, and we'll share tips on how to adapt them using different seasonal ingredients. The best part is that these dishes are very low in calories, but are absolutely packed with incredible flavor. We're focusing on the principle of nutrient density, getting the maximum amount of vitamins, minerals, and satisfaction from every single bite. We achieve this by using a symphony of fresh herbs and aromatic spices, enhancing taste without relying on excess fats or sugars. You'll get plenty of protein and fiber to keep you feeling full and energized for hours. If you've been searching for meals that can help you on your weight loss journey without making you feel like you are missing out, then you have come to the right place. We understand the struggle of restrictive diets, the bland food, the constant hunger, the feeling of deprivation. Our philosophy is that healthy eating should be a joyous and sustainable lifestyle, not a punishment. These recipes prove you never have to sacrifice flavor to reach your wellness goals. Before we begin, if you enjoy our recipes and our philosophy, please consider supporting the channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Your support allows us to keep creating this content for you. Now, are you ready to change your mornings for the better? Let's get cooking. Let's craft a light and fluffy vegetable omelet. First, sauté finely sliced cabbage, grated carrots, and minced onion until tender. While they steam, whisk 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons of flour and 50 grams of cheese. This flour is our secret to a soft, cake-like texture. Pour the batter over the vegetables, cover, and cook on low for 5-7 minutes. For a foolproof flip, slide the omelet onto a plate, cover with the pan, and flip. Cook for 2 more minutes and enjoy your nourishing meal. Welcome back to Green Recept, where healthy eating is always a delicious adventure. For our second recipe, we're moving away from sweet breakfasts and embracing the savory side of mornings with these incredible oat and cabbage pancakes. They're light, packed with nutrients, and surprisingly simple to make. Think of them as a cross between a delicate crepe and a Japanese okonomiyaki. They are perfect not just for breakfast, but for a quick lunch or a light supper. Let's begin by making our own flour. The foundation of these pancakes is fresh oat flour, and making it yourself is a game changer. It guarantees freshness and avoids any preservatives found in store-bought versions. We're using rolled oats, also known as old-fashioned oats, because they strike the perfect balance between texture and convenience. Avoid steel-cut oats as they're too tough for most home grinders, and instant oats can result in a pasty texture. Simply place 5 to 6 tablespoons of rolled oats into a coffee grinder or a high-speed blender. Pulse in short bursts. This prevents the oils in the oats from heating up, which preserves their delicate, nutty flavor. Continue until you have a fine, powdery flour, similar in consistency to whole wheat flour. Now, let's build our batter. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your freshly ground oat flour, 2 large free-range eggs. Their rich yolks will give our pancakes a beautiful color and structure, 50 milliliters of milk, and a generous pinch of salt to awaken all the flavors. For a dairy-free option, oat milk or unsweetened almond milk work beautifully here. Whisk everything together until the batter is completely smooth and free of lumps. You'll notice it's a bit thinner than traditional pancake batter at first. Now for a crucial step. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the oat flour to fully absorb the liquid, thickening the batter to the perfect consistency and ensuring a tender, not gummy, pancake. While the batter rests, we'll prepare our vibrant vegetable topping. The key to this recipe is getting the vegetables incredibly fine, so they cook quickly and meld perfectly with the pancake. We're using green cabbage, but Savoy or even red cabbage would add a stunning pop of color. Use a standard vegetable peeler or a mandolin to shave the cabbage into delicate paper-thin ribbons. This technique is far more effective than chopping for achieving that light, airy texture. Next, the onion. For the sweetest, mildest flavor, slice a white or yellow onion as thinly as you possibly can. A sharp knife is your best friend here, but if you have a mandolin slicer, now is the time to use it, always with the safety guard, of course. With our components ready, it's time to cook. Place a non-stick skillet over medium heat. A good non-stick surface is essential for an easy flip. Add a tiny drop of a neutral oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, and use a paper towel to wipe it around the pan. You're aiming for an almost invisible film of oil, not a pool. This ensures a beautiful, even golden brown crust without making the pancakes greasy. Once the pan is hot, pour a ladle of batter into the center, swirling the pan slightly to create a thin, even circle. Immediately, while the batter is still wet, generously sprinkle your shredded cabbage and onion over the entire surface. Don't mix them in. Let them sit right on top. Now for the magic trick. Cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. This traps the steam, which does 2 things. It gently cooks the vegetables until they're perfectly tender crisp, and it cooks the pancake all the way through from the top down. You'll know it's ready to flip when the edges look dry and set, and the surface is covered in little bubbles that have started to pop. Slide a thin spatula underneath, and once you see a golden brown underside, give it one confident flip. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side, uncovered, just to crisp it up. As each pancake is done, transfer it to a plate. To keep them all warm while you cook the rest of the batch, you can place the plate in an oven set to its lowest temperature. Repeat the process with the remaining batter, creating a beautiful, inviting stack. While the last one cooks, let's think about elevating our dish. These pancakes are delicious on their own, but a simple sauce takes them to the next level. We love serving them with a creamy, cooling yogurt sauce. Just mix Greek yogurt with some chopped dill, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Another fantastic option is a classic Asian-inspired dipping sauce made with soy sauce, a dash of rice vinegar, and a little grated ginger. For a final touch of plating artistry, our green Recept tip is to garnish with fresh, vibrant herbs like parsley or chives, and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for a delightful crunch and extra nutrients. Before we take a bite, let's answer some common questions. First, can I make these gluten-free? Absolutely. Oats are naturally gluten-free, but you must use oats that are certified gluten-free to avoid any cross-contamination. Second, can I use other vegetables? Yes. Finely shredded carrots, grated zucchini, be sure to squeeze out the excess water first, or even finely chopped kale would be wonderful. Just remember to keep the pieces small and thin. And finally, can I make the batter ahead of time? It's best made fresh. Because oat flour is so absorbent, the batter will become too thick if it sits for too long. However, you can absolutely prep your vegetables ahead of time to make assembly even faster. And there you have it. A stack of beautiful, savory pancakes ready to be enjoyed. They are light, incredibly flavorful, and a testament to how satisfying a healthy breakfast can be. Paired with a steaming cup of green tea or a fresh pressed juice, it's the perfect way to nourish your body and start your day on a positive note. We encourage you to share this experience with your friends and family and discover together the joy of a healthy gourmet breakfast. These recipes prove that healthy eating can be a truly joyful and satisfying experience. It's not about restriction, but about nourishment. Remember to make your breakfast a ritual, a quiet moment for yourself that sets a positive tone for the entire day. Thank you for watching these recipes. We hope you're leaving today feeling inspired, motivated, and hungry to try something new. If you loved this video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Green Recept for more healthy and delicious recipes every day. Have an excellent day, and we'll see you very soon for new healthy ideas.